Likuti kaya, ikaya lami, lisema sulwini. Ati likuti kaya,
ikaya lami,
lisema sulwini. Awunikona mata masalwani, likuti kaya, Lisama sudi, amaso just. Atindi gute, yani gute. Lisama sudi, basa. Nawe unkesa, ya ukesa. Usikumbule. Ati nawe unkesa, ya ukesa. Awusanibonani basalwane, ati isambo yakhona, ati isambo yakhona, Santana mwana masayon, otama my. Lisama sulwi na unyagasa mtamtani. Haibo. Lisama sulwi. Awatakate ofute. Ati ngubanido ati simbonile vele mafili ati ngubanido ati simbonile vele mafili babonakale ngokungiphuca umbhobho engaganiwe ke ngizonipha nina minjoba labangaganiwe kulaba abangaphi sicula kahle kanje mkhululi oza mkhululi nezingane zakwenu nizokhuluma ngobaba wenu.
Thank you, Program Director. Greetings to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, His Excellency, the Deputy President, Mr. Paul Mashatile. A special greeting to my mother, Mthethwa, as well as a special greeting to those who rushed in the middle of the hour to be by my mother's side when the news broke of my father's passing. Dr. Sfiso Buthelezi, I thank you for rushing to her side at her time of need. Then, my brother, you could have been anywhere else, but you decided to be with us in that moment. And later, Ncebo Buthelezi, who also joined us during that difficult period of trying to repatriate my father. I'm here with my brother, Mthethwa, who comes after me. My sisters, unfortunately, their legs are still heavy. I'll just say a few words about my father. Where does one begin to bid farewell to you, Nyambos? A person who was so much more than the title of being a father. In times of loss and misdirection, you are our compass, a fountain for those who seek the thirst of knowledge, a shelter from the storm, and at times, the storm itself. How can I possibly try to articulate your deeds or the experience of being born of a giant? My father was a man of virtue, integrity, courage, and brute honesty. As your children, we know and understand that you did all you could and all that you saw fit to prepare us for the realities of this world. Perhaps the reality that brings us here today might be the one lesson we have missed. You challenged each and every one of your children to lead their own lives and to be masters of their destinies, to never shy away from doing what's right, even when it's unpopular. You taught to treat everyone with respect and demand respect likewise. These lessons that you have left us are rooted in who we are as a people, and our identity is grounded in humility, strength, pride, in being true to ourselves. These are the values that my father embodied. A pillar of wisdom, attentive listener, and a person whose presence filled the room, just like his laughter and his voice. I will personally miss our conversations about the walk of life, about the trials and triumphs of becoming a man, the importance of legacy, the importance of our family. These words will continue to live within us as your children. The matrimonial union between my father and Mthethwa, Mphili, has united two equally dignified families into one powerful force of goodwill, ubuntu, and unity. It was a difficult and long journey just to get him back home, but through the families being united, we were able to do so. Ngamafishane, ukubambisana kwemndeni yethu so Nyambose no Shenge. Iko lapha ekhaya. As I close, hamba kahle, the community, our nation, and the world at large. Hamba kahle Nkonyane. Mthethwa. 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 Mthethwa.
Hey, wabeka kahle ndodana ngobaba wakho on behalf of the siblings Mazia. Na duduza nakhuluma kahle ngoba isiwe was the favorite of ubaba lapha ekhaya. Namadodakazi amathathu baba wayiqokela le ndodakazi ukuthi bavuka bonke bayosebenza abize indodakazi bahlale phansi baxoxe indaba. Benothando olukhulu abazali bakho Philisiwe. So this message yaphambili, it is also to strengthen that no baba nabe khona no ma, they also want to give you your support for being their best child in the family. Kukhona ukhiye lahlekile lana ozongazi ukuthi kodwa kanjani imoto yakhe eFord uzochaza ukuthi ubhala ukuthini kodwa imoto eFord mhlambe ngabe akade beza la bawushiya la no akubona uwe somewhere else waxoshwa lo key. Anybody who has got a lost key, it's a Ford car, but there's something written on it, you must actually describe what is on that written on that key so that I can allow you. For now, let me allow Ms. Fagute to come and give message, read the message on behalf of Mthethwa Philisiwe Maptelezi ngomyeni wakhe.
I am reading this tribute from Phili to Nathi, acknowledging the presence of His Excellency, President Cyril Ramaphosa, and the Deputy President, Paul Mashatile, members of Cabinet, and all distinguished guests who have joined us today in honor and celebration of a remarkable life. Your presence brings, we walk together in the sick that words could never fully hold. With you, life became a song, each note more radiant than eyes I saw. And now, with one cruel stroke, death has stolen you away, was once melody. Light might dawn for our left, not only our glorious movement, liberation. Your fondness for the people never dimmed. Your quest for dignity never faltered. You gave of yourself wholly, certain that the seeds you planted would bloom for generations to come. Phili further says, together we shall at the France-South Africa Investment Conference in May this year, along national relations and cooperation, Alvin Porters, whose tireless commitment and unwavering support helped bring this mission to life. With that momentum, your sides deeply admired. That's what Phili says. In you was your embodiment of servant leadership. Your distinctive and instinctive inclination to place yourself last and others first. Equally inspiring was your abiding quest for the patriotic dividend. Your steadfast achieved, and rather, I saw how your heart ached when the ANC faced the peril of disunity. You wrapped my family in your boundless heart, making space for us all, nurturing us with patience and tenderness. Your agony of your final hour. The universe feels empty, the air heavy with your absence. I cannot ask God why, for love this great can never be explained nor measured by time. I ask only again. You are my sun from my eyes. Nothing can quench the fire you lit in my soul. So go well, my beloved. Rest now, my King. Your spirit lives in me, humanity calls.
Kama Buthelezi uphilisiwe Buthelezi Mthethwa kulomcimbi wa obunzima kangaka. Ake ngiqedele la kulomntwana la osizayo ulandiwe Mndaba ilwana manje oyena osenzele sign language usizana nohlonishwa. Mhlamba ke silitry once more abezoza embhobhweni la kodwa bazama ukucula badanse ngaphambi bafake umama uhlengiwe nokuza kamongameli ukhuzela izokathi kusinyakazisa Comrade Nathi awulale ngoxolo Comrade Nathi awulale ngoxolo kabane Hakutyala uzabalaza Hakutyala uzabalaza
Awulale ngoxolo owenyambose awulale ngoxolo